It's new home tour time. Let's go check out this gorgeous 3-bedroom home that also includes a den, 2.5 bathrooms, gorgeous kitchen, vaulted ceilings, and 2.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage. Did I mention that? Well, I'll show it all to you. Check it out and stay tuned to the end to hear about builder incentives. Now, this particular builder has several homes that are available as quick move-ins and specs, and if you close by September 30th, there are some bonuses. So reach out, let me know what you're interested in, when you want to do it, and we're going to make it happen and get you some incentives along the way. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.